Hi there, this is Luca with Nativevideo, and I have a good update on our momentum and a couple of dates for your diary. It all starts with Salesforce launching the Manufacturing Cloud and giving us the opportunity through our partnership to integrate our video solution in two crucial areas for the success of this industry. One is communities, and the other one is field service lightning. Thanks to these innovations, we're actually taking them with us to Dublin. This is a beautiful rendering, a beautiful image actually of Dublin. We're going to go in Dublin this week, Thursday, visiting the Salesforce headquarters, meeting possibly with some of the people shown here. It's always a great atmosphere of innovation and activity in Dublin. And we're going to take our innovation through some internal meetings, a lot of people interested in understanding more about what we can bring to the manufacturing cloud in Dublin. Then we are back in London next week, 8th of October. We're going to be on stage for the ISV Salesforce Meetup Demo Jam. It's a great event. Don't miss it if you're in London, 8th of October around Holborn. You're going to find the link to this very page for your registration. But great companies on stage alongside us: Gospel Tech, Datadwell, Cloud Coach, Breadwinner, and obviously Nativevideo competing for the best demo of the night. So come along and support Nativevideo on the 8th of October. Then it's not over. We're back in Dublin next week for some more meetings, working alongside great innovators within the manufacturing cloud. All of that leading to the big event all the way to November. Then we will be in San Francisco again with our iPads, with our computers, showing what we can do for the manufacturing cloud, bringing video as an innovation area within communities and field service lightning. So if you want to know more about what's going on with Nativevideo and how we can turbocharge the manufacturing cloud with our video solution, get in touch with us, of course. We are Nativevideo, and we enable businesses and people connect in a whole new way through video.